After 40, your body doesn't always shout when something's wrong. It whispers. You might feel off, but can't explain why. In this video, we're exposing 5 silent triggers that slowly destroy your energy, hormones, and health, even if you think you're doing everything right. Let's fix that now. Your metabolism slows, hormones shift, muscle breaks down faster, and your body becomes more sensitive to small daily habits, especially the ones you don't notice. That's why it's not just about what you eat or how much you move. It's about what you ignore. 1. Late night screen time. Blue light from phones, tablets, or TVs at night shuts down melatonin. That means poor sleep, weak recovery, and lower testosterone. Solution: no screen 60 minutes before bed. Use dim red or amber light instead. 2. Underexposure to sunlight. Most adults spend their day indoors, and that's killing vitamin D, testosterone, and mood. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight boosts hormone balance and sleep rhythm. 3. Mindless eating on the go. Eating while scrolling or driving leads to overconsumption and poor digestion. Your brain never registers fullness. Slow down. Chew. Focus on your food. 4. Shallow breathing and tension. Most people breathe from the chest, not the diaphragm, leading to constant low-grade stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which shuts down libido and slows fat burning. Do 3 deep belly breaths every hour. It resets your system fast. 5. Ignoring micro-fatigue. You wake up tired, you crash midday, you need coffee to survive the afternoon. These are early signs of metabolic fatigue, not just aging. Fix it with blood sugar control. Eat protein in the morning, stay hydrated, and avoid sugar spikes. None of these changes need pills, gym memberships, or complex routines. It starts with awareness, one new habit at a time. Block blue light, step into the sun, breathe deeply, eat mindfully. You don't need to do everything, just stop ignoring the things that slowly wear you down. Your health isn't just about what you do, it's about what you overlook. After 40, small triggers create big consequences, but that also means small changes can lead to massive results. You're not falling apart, you're just ready to rebuild. Smarter this time. Comment "I'm listening now" if you're ready to silence these silent triggers, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. This is Reboot 40, and your next chapter starts here.